Okay, so everyone's heard of the V10 software update. We know that it gave us things like Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube. That's great, but what if you want to watch something else? What if you want to watch like Plex or stream video off a different website? So, apart from giving us those options, it's actually given us a better web browser. So, if you open the web browser now, it's loading the Tesla website, but in my favorites, I have the Plex TV app saved. So I'm already logged in. It should take me straight to my account. And from here, it'll bring up the library of videos that I have on my server upstairs in the house. So I should be able to select a video and play it. Now, this is because they've actually updated the browser to be able to play video. So I already have a video loaded down here. I think it's the Grand Tour. So if I tap on this, it should start playing. So it's playing here in the little, there it is. So it's already playing. Now the problem with this is, I'm just going to pause it. The problem with this is you can't full screen it. So if you tap the full screen, you see that the icon changed, but it doesn't actually full screen it. That's because the browser has to live in this little window. So there is a workaround, which I will show you now. And the workaround involves the YouTube app. So if you go here and then go to entertainment and YouTube. Now this works because the YouTube app is basically just a web browser. It's a full screen web browser, which is loading YouTube. And the trick is you go up here in the top right corner where your profile is, you tap that, you go to manage your Google account. From there, you'll get this white page. You'll then be able to tap the app icon, the top right, go to Google search, and now you have access to the entire web. So if we search for Plex here, it's already there. It should find the web app, and then we load the very first result, and now you have Plex in full screen. So if I then load the same video, we should be able to use the full screen option and actually take up the entire monitor here. So I have it down here again. So if I open that and I press on this, I think it's going to play in the little preview down here again. So there it is. It's loading, and there it is. You're playing it, and it's in full screen. So if we tap this, it'll be in all its glory. Perfect. Okay, so yeah, that's a quick tutorial on how to play almost any video in your Tesla Model 3. And it probably works for other Teslas as well. So yeah, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and I hope this was useful. So thanks for watching.